Getting started with payroll doesn't have to be complicated. TaxBandits guides you through a simple onboarding process that helps you set up your business, payroll schedule, tax information, and employee payment preferences, all before you run your first payroll. Let's walk through the setup process. When you first sign in, you'll be welcomed to the Payroll Dashboard. Start by selecting the state where your business operates. This allows TaxBandits to determine the payroll taxes and compliance requirements that apply to your business. Next, choose the payroll type that best matches your organization. Whether you're running payroll for a traditional business, an agricultural operation, a household employer, or a nonprofit, simply select the appropriate option to continue. After choosing your payroll type, you'll see your onboarding checklist. This step-by-step guide walks you through everything needed before processing your first payroll. As you complete each section, your progress is automatically tracked so you always know what's left to finish. Let's begin with your business information. First, enter your business details. Provide your legal business name, EIN, and display name. Then enter your primary contact information along with your business address. You'll also enter your work location, which helps TaxBandits calculate payroll taxes based on where your employees work. Once everything looks correct, save your information to move to the next step. Next, create your payroll schedule. Choose how often you'll pay your employees, such as weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Then give your schedule a name, select when the pay period begins, and choose the first pay date. The built-in calendar gives you a preview of upcoming payroll dates, making it easy to verify your schedule before continuing. Now it's time to configure your federal payroll tax settings. Select the federal payroll form your business files, such as Form 941 or Form 944. Then choose your federal deposit schedule. If you're unsure which option applies to your business, check with your tax professional or refer to your IRS filing requirements before continuing. Next, enter your state payroll tax information. Depending on your business location, you'll provide your state withholding account details and unemployment insurance information. These details allow TaxBandits to prepare the correct state payroll filings and keep your payroll records accurate. Now you're ready to choose the payroll plan that fits your business. Compare the available packages to see which features best match your payroll needs. Depending on the plan you select, you can manage payroll, automate tax filings and payments where available, access compliance reports, and take advantage of additional payroll features. After selecting your plan, continue to the next step. Before moving forward, TaxBandits provides a summary of your payroll tax responsibilities. You'll see which federal and state filings apply to your business, how often they're due, and which responsibilities remain with you. Take a moment to review the information, acknowledge your responsibilities, and continue. Next, choose how you'd like to pay your employees. You can pay by check or choose check with direct deposit. If you select direct deposit, TaxBandits lets you either use its payment partner or generate an ACH file that you can upload through your own bank, if your bank supports ACH processing. Choose the option that works best for your business, then continue to the next step. If you choose direct deposit, the next step is deciding how you'd like to process employee payments. You can process direct deposits through TaxBandits' payment partner, CodaPay, or use your own bank if it supports ACH processing. Choose the option that works best for your business, then save your selection to continue. Next, you'll connect the bank account that will be used for payroll tax payments. Simply select Add Bank Account to begin the secure connection process. TaxBandits uses Plaid to safely connect with your financial institution, making it easy to verify your account without manually entering banking information. Once your account is connected, you're ready to move to the next step. Before TaxBandits can file and pay federal payroll taxes on your behalf, you'll need to complete the required authorization documents. From this screen, open the Reporting Agent Authorization Form to review and electronically sign it. The authorization form is pre-filled with the information you've already entered during onboarding. Review the details to make sure everything is accurate. When you're ready, select the signature field to electronically sign the form. Enter your title, confirm the electronic signature agreement, and adopt your signature to complete the authorization. Once the form has been signed, continue to the next step. Now you're ready to begin building your workforce. Select Add Person to onboard your first employee or contractor. Start by entering the individual's basic information, including their name, contact information, and worker type. TaxBandits supports employees, individual contractors, and business contractors, allowing you to manage different worker classifications from one platform. Next, enter the employee's job and compensation details. Provide information such as their hire date, work location, employment status, compensation type, and any additional details that apply to their role. These settings help TaxBandits calculate payroll accurately while preparing the correct tax forms throughout the year. Once you've finished entering the information, continue to the next step. After adding the employee, decide how you'd like to complete their onboarding. You can enter their remaining payroll and tax information yourself, or invite the employee to securely complete the process online. If you choose to send an invitation, you can have the option to personalize the employee portal and invitation email with your company's branding before sending it. This gives your employees a more professional onboarding experience while reducing manual data entry. The final onboarding step is letting TaxBandits know whether you've already processed payroll earlier in the year. If this is your first payroll of the year, simply indicate that you'll be running your first payroll with TaxBandits. If you've already processed payroll using another provider, choose the option indicating you've already run payroll this year. You'll be able to enter your year-to-date payroll information so TaxBandits can maintain accurate payroll records and tax reporting going forward. Once you've made your selection and saved your information, your payroll onboarding is complete. Once you've completed the onboarding process, you'll arrive at your Payroll Dashboard. This is your central workspace for managing payroll and staying on top of your business. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find a quick overview of your payroll, including your total employees and contractors, pay schedule, company payroll cost, outstanding tax items, and average wages. You'll also see a calendar with upcoming payroll dates and important events, helping you stay organized throughout the year. As you begin running payroll, the Payroll Metrics section will automatically populate with insights that help you monitor payroll activity and trends over time. Below that, you'll find quick actions that give you one-click access to common tasks like adding employees, running payroll, generating reports, and reviewing compliance. The Recent Employee Activity section makes it easy to view recently added employees, monitor onboarding progress, and quickly access employee profiles whenever you need them. As your business grows, this dashboard becomes your home base for payroll processing, tax compliance, employee management, reporting, and payroll insights, all from one place. That's it. Your payroll account is fully set up and ready to go. With your business information, tax settings, payment preferences, employees, and payroll dashboard all in one place, you're ready to confidently process your first payroll with TaxBandits. As your business grows, TaxBandits grows with you, making it easy to manage payroll, stay compliant, and keep everything organized from a single platform.